Happy Monday, my friends. I hope everyone enjoyed their weekend. Welcome back to a new work from home job lead video. If you're new here, real quick, my name is Lindsay, and I'm always searching the internet trying to find the best work from home job leads available and bringing them straight to you on a daily basis. I do my best to weed out all scams and double check things before I post any job leads, but always remember to do your own research before providing any of your personal information to any of these companies, and never ever ever pay for a job lead. But with that being said, real quick, if any of these job leads are helpful to you and these videos are helpful to you, please give them a thumbs up like button. That gives me direct feedback that I am providing helpful job leads to you. But let's just dive on in. Today's job lead is from the company Zayzoon. Now, Zayzoon is a technology company providing HR and financial solutions. So for their customers, they provide instant access to your paycheck early, and they have a bill payment system so you don't have to have late bill pays, overdraft fees, or payday loans. So they are a banking solution for people who are earning paychecks. They are hiring a customer success representative, but don't click off so quickly. This is a non-phone position. So it just says that they are an HR and financial technology company. They offer wage access to employees along with a variety of other financial wellness tools. And so this customer success is a central part of their product and service experience. And such strategic strength in their business is critical to their mission. They are looking for someone to answer customer questions, troubleshoot complex inquiries, and provide education on their products to ensure their customers are well cared for. Now, what you'll be doing, you'll provide support and guidance on Zayzoon's customers via in-app chat and email. So this is non-phone based. You will be just typing through a chat and email, providing the customer service that they need. You will act as the initial point of contact to troubleshoot and escalate sensitive issues to the appropriate internal team. You'll work collaboratively with their growth and products team to provide your insights into questions that help inform how they improve their new features and products. You'll assist with improving the customer success and customer service process. And you'll need to maintain their documentation in their knowledge base. Now, they are looking for someone who wants to make a difference through meaningful work. They want someone who is passionate for helping others, who has a high emotional IQ and can demonstrate empathy, especially during difficult situations. We all know we get emotional when our money is at stake. So some of these customers may be coming to you with problems and they may be emotional when they do so. So you need to understand how to diffuse customer concerns when things get serious and be able to lighten the mood. And it says that you can do that using emoji since this is a chat position. You need to be an analytical problem solver, adapt quickly to change, and be self-motivated so that you can work independently in a remote setting. So as far as what is needed, they will take 3 to 5 years of customer service experience or product support over the need for a degree. However, if you do not have 3 to 5 years of experience and you do have a bachelor's degree, they will take that also. They're looking for someone with great written and verbal communication skills, someone who is computer savvy and strong critical thinking skills, and someone who has worked with Google Workspace, Slack, or other similar tools. Now, they do have a few bonus points. If you are bilingual in a second language, especially Spanish, that is a plus. If you have experience with customer messaging platforms in the past, such as Zendesk, that is a plus for you. And if you have any experience in the financial field, that is also a plus for you, but these are not required for the position. Now, the fun thing about this position is they are looking to hire not only full-time, but also part-time candidates. They're also hiring from the US and Canada. So it says part-time team members must be available to work 20 to 28 hours a week, and that is during the evening time, 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, and weekends for a 4 to 8 hour shift between 9 a.m. and 6 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. It doesn't say what the full-time position hours are. I'm assuming a standard 8 to 5, but you would have to ask them. Unfortunately, they did not list the pay rate in the job posting, and I could not find anything online when I tried to look for an estimate. Just a little disclaimer, I do not work for these companies. I simply share what I find online. So any additional information such as pay, you will have to ask them at the time of the interview. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back very soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.